wrist. Catch through the mud, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You tell me text, and diesel boy like I Uber to Jesse.
What's up, guys? Good person. I'm back on another YouTube video today. I'm here with my son Bree Baller. You know what I'm saying? Bree Baller in the cuts. You could hire her to play any games for you. She plays soccer, football, basketball, all of that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and we're gonna be doing a monkey app. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be chatting on monkey app. We're just gonna be improvising when we talk to them. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, I'm gonna get to the video. Oh, I've been blocked for some reason. So, bro, I went on there this morning and somebody showed me their dick. Two friends, but what does this mean? Inappropriate behavior. Yeah. Why are you white, bro? No!
Don't take that off my phone. Take that off my phone. Take that off my phone.
We had to start over because, you know, the account that we used before, it was attracting pedophiles, so. Quan from California. Please, I swear to God. He did? He did?
I don't know.
Oh. Quan, we've been experiencing.
If they don't say nothing, that means they're about to do it.
Oh, hey, Dario, Yeah. Huh? You said at time? What's up, Dario?
Don't wait. Time.
What's your name?
And time, stupid ass.
Dario, where are you from?
I'm from Africa. You from Africa?
Oh. I'm from Africa, Angola.
I'm from Africa, Uganda. Rate my son from 1 to 10. Rate him from 1 to 10.
What?
Rate her from 1 to 10.
0.
Your mother's your
Yo, you ugly as hell, boy. What your dirty ass?
Ugly ass nigga.
What you said?
No 0. Hey, 8.
Fuck out there. You still ugly as
You
shit.
still. You got a gun. Garrett. Oh. Why you got a gun as your thing if you got a baby?
You said what?
Your gun. You have a gun as a profile picture, but you got a baby.
This ain't my kid.
This ain't my kid.
This ain't my kid.
This ain't him.
Yeah.
Where y'all from?
New York.
Let me put 18.
Oh, okay, I'm from Miami.
Oh, Southside.
How's it? What? How's it down there in Miami?
Hey, it's
Hey, it's cool.
It's cool.
Hey, it's cool.
It's cool.
It's alright.
It's hard.
I don't cut fuck.
Yeah. What's that? What's that?
A finger.
Boulay.
Yo,
Yeah.
you a dyke?
Your mother's a dyke?
First of all, you're a lad.
Ugly boy. I don't want to hear you, dumb ass boy. I don't want to hear you, stupid ass bitch. I don't want to hear you, dumb ass bitch.
Her forehead big as shit. God damn.
Alright, try again. I'm wondering if I show my forehead because he just came out my forehead.
Be mad rude though, like shit. Hello? Bro.
Dude, you're mad ugly.
Hello.
Oh!
But I feel like it's gonna break the whole. Hello?
Who's that fat dude with titties?
Cuz,
This
if your
nigga
face not
said,
in the camera.
Who's the fat dude with TD?
Like, we're like, what type of girl name?
Leanne? I put Leanne's name, so who you trying to really violate?
You went to the violate. I
Shut
said,
the fuck up, yo.
yo.
Can I see some booty? Ew.
Your mother's ill, bitch. Suck my dick. Yeah.
Okay, let me lick.
You from New York, right?
Yeah, y'all from G Dogs?
Huh?
Y'all from G Dogs?
Yeah. Go subscribe to my channel. You're gonna be on my channel. I have 1 million subscribers.
Well, you know. Stop playing.
No. Stop playing. That's this.
Did we just speak these up last week?
Oh
God, y'all support monkeys. You a nigger.
Yo, shut your cracker head ass up.
white.
Like, look.
Damn, boy, your supporter big as hell.
I told you.
Why are you violating, bro? It's not even that deep. Georgia. Hey. I can't dance. Ho! Oh! Hey!
It's not in.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
What the fuck? Are you a nigga?
We're both.
I'm a transgender. Ooh.
Pennsylvania.
You say they violate me on this app? This is what y'all wanted, right? I'm about to kill myself after this video. That's mad dirty, bro.
That's
Why?
disgusting, bro. Stop. Stop. Get up off me.
I think he like you. Whoa, he look that scary. Well, you look dumb good. You look dumb. Stop. You from?
You looking like a Hershey bar. Hold on, every time.
Lying ass.
What's your Instagram?
No, you tell me.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram?
No, your Instagram.
1, 2, 3, suck my dick.
I would love to. Jonathan
Okay,
looking a little bit
that's
spicy.
why Oh my
God. I'm not
Damn,
gonna cap.
Jonathan.
You're really fired.
Why you pause like that?
He said, "What's up?"
He said, what's up?
What's up is that you're fired.
He said, what's up? I said,
Girls have a higher risk of getting pregnant than boys. I think that was a girl though. She about to violate. I could
yeah,
feel it.
you could tell
He's about to violate. You about to violate?
Nah.
Oh. Wasim.
He likes you. He likes you.
I like you too.
Yeah.
What? Hello, hola, ¿cómo está?
Hi.
You're really pretty.
Stop showing
Thank you.
Okay, now bye.
We're not pretty too.
Stupid
Fake ass
bitch.
bitch.
Let's hear
Oh,
it.
she's from Instagram. Shut up. What you say? I'll beat you up.
Nobody said that you.
You're a YouTuber?
I'll beat you up. Shut up. I'll smack you.
Out. Ad time, pussy ass nigga.
I'll smack you.
I really wanted to argue. I really wanted to argue his ugly ass. Then if I curve, it's gonna only be you, dingbat.
Are you dumb right
Jessica.
there? That's fine. She has an Insta. She's YouTube. Oh my God.
Who is that?
And she's always doing pranks on her mom.
Oh, I know her.
Yes, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we met up there, Miss Princess. Hello, Gabe.
What up, dude?
Wagwan the mancha. Bomba clot yellows. Wagwan. No ramp with me. Wag.
Don't do the.
Ouch. I saw your face already. There's no need to hide. We're going to catch this wave. Fuck around. Hold on.
Why you just turn my phone up like that, like it was your phone? Let me check my messages.
She did not get not one message since the video started.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you're chatting. Anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you subscribed already. Oh, I also want to thank y'all for 100 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I just got 100 subscribers, you know, so I'm thankful for that. Thank you guys for the 100 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Keep subscribing and turn on the post notification. And her username will be in the description. Her Snapchat, her Instagram. Okay, then. And, bitch. Anyway, her Snapchat will be in the description as well, and we'll see you in the next motherfucking video.
Run me that money, cause I be the baddie beat. Barbie tanks, banging body beat. Everybody